And
Yeah.
the first way is, yun rin yung kagandahan ng professionally managed funds. Kasi at least with funds, there are local and there are global funds as well. So
Yun.
with Ramper Online, you can, yes, invest in the local stock market through index funds, through strategic growth funds, and yeah, bonds and fixed income instruments. Pero may mga options rin sa Ramper Online, and in the next few months, may kita nyo, dadami pa yung products sa Ramper Online. We're hard
Wow.
at work to partner with a lot of good partners, and a lot of nice products will be onboarded in the platform. So abangan nyo yan, mga viewers natin. And
Yun.
because of that, because of now the ability to invest globally through funds, you can be diversified. And if you look at, let's say, one of our funds there, si Sun Life World Equity Index Fund,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it's a global fund from Sun Life. I think it's hovering around 15% year to date.